In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close tabs in Obsidian, the powerful note-taking tool that lets you build a second brain. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, launch Obsidian on your device and open the vault you're currently working in. As you start opening several notes from the File Explorer, you'll notice multiple tabs appearing at the top of the editor. That's the heart of your workspace, but too many tabs can quickly get messy, so let's clean things up. To close a single tab, just look at the top of the note pane and identify the tab you want to handle. Click on it to make sure it's the active tab, then find the X icon, usually on the tab itself. If you don't see it right away, hover over the tab and it will appear. Click that X and the tab disappears from the bar. Check the remaining tabs to confirm that note is no longer open. Practice by opening another note, then closing multiple tabs the same way. You can also manage tabs using the right-click menu. Right-click any tab and you'll see a list of options. Select Close to close the current tab, or if you have a bunch open you don't need, right-click and choose Close Others to keep only the selected tab open. There's also Close tabs to the right if that fits your workflow. Really handy when you're deep into research. Before you close anything, quickly review your active notes so you don't accidentally lose something important. For tabs you use all the time, right-click and choose Pin to prevent accidental closure entirely. If you prefer speed over clicking, open the command palette and search for commands like Close Tab or Close All Tabs to control everything from your keyboard. If you ever do close something you need again, don't worry. Just use the File Explorer or Quick Switcher to reopen it instantly. Over time, make it a habit to remove tabs that aren't relevant anymore. Keeping only current projects and references open reduces visual clutter and improves navigation between your notes. The real magic comes when you build a tab management routine. Regularly close unused tabs during your work sessions so your Obsidian workspace stays focused and organized. You've now got everything you need to keep your tabs tidy and your mind clear. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.